Riders, have you ever craved a vest that's as timeless as your passion for the open road? Meet the DS107 Men's Antique Brown Concealed Carry Vest from Daniel Smart, a perfect blend of classic style and modern functionality. Let's break it down, piece by piece. First up, the material. Crafted from soft, premium drum-dyed antique brown cowhide, this vest is as durable as it is stunning. That vintage finish? It speaks to riders who value tradition without compromising quality. The V-neck collar adds a sleek, classic look, while the side lacing lets you adjust for the perfect fit. Comfort meets customization. It's all in the details. Storage? Oh, we've got that covered. 2 YKK zippered outside hand pockets keep your essentials secure and within easy reach. The 4 classic black snaps in the front not only add to the timeless look, but also ensure a snug, reliable closure. This vest is built for the ride, not just the road. Now, let's talk about the inside. The DS107 is equipped with 2 smart access pockets made from heavy-duty textile, featuring built-in holsters and snap closures for secure concealed carry. Plus, an interior cell phone pocket for added convenience. Reinforced shoulder support. It's a game changer for safety tools. The design ensures comfort without compromising functionality, making it ideal for long rides and tough conditions. And here's the cherry on top, the single panel back. Whether you want to add patches, club logos, embroidery, or airbrushed artwork, this vest gives you a blank canvas to make it uniquely yours. Gear up today at danielsmartmfg.com and claim your DS107. Ride like a legend, look like a king, and feel unstoppable.